Hey everyone! Welcome to Sam and Feng Cooking. In this video, I'll show you how to make Chinese 5-spice boiled peanuts. This recipe is made with raw peanuts in the shell. Add the peanuts to a bowl and wash with water and drain until the water is clear. And pick out any peanuts that may have gone bad. Add peanuts to a large pot and add 10 cups of water or until peanuts are covered. Then add 4 bay leaves, 1 cinnamon stick, 3 star anise, 8 cloves, half a tablespoon of fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon of peppercorns, 2 tablespoons of kosher salt, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Give everything a stir and bring the water to a boil. Put the lid on and continue to boil for 2 to 3 hours. Check them at the 2-hour mark to see how soft they are. If you like them with a little bite, you can stop there. I cooked mine for 3 hours. It was nice and soft at this point. And don't forget to keep adding water when the water level gets low. And that's it! When you store the peanuts in the fridge, add the broth too so the peanuts stay moist and don't dry out. They also develop even more flavor as they sit in the broth. These are what the peanuts look like when done. The flavorful broth we made seeps into the shell and you're left with delicious soft peanuts inside. You can eat these warm or cold. If you can get your hands on raw peanuts, you have to give this recipe a try. Let us know in the comments below if you do. Thanks for watching. Bye!
Like and subscribe, please.